Welcome back. Today I want to show you a noise on the Skoda Fabia. Let's start. Okay, you see, I can shake this whole thing and you see the movement here, and then you know this thing is damaged and you must change it. You see, old VS new. This is thing are stronger, and the bearing, they are damaged. You see it, the movement, and here is nothing. On this side the screw rotates, so I use a pliers to hold the screws. The problem is solved and I am happy. What I forgot to say is it's necessary that both tires, when you test the stabilizer links or the stabilizer, it's necessary that your both tires in the front or in the rear where you test it are in the air. If one tire is down, then your stabilizer is under tension, and then you can't make this test because maybe you don't hear the wrong or the damaged part. So if you have only one car jack, start with the one side, take something under the car and go to the other side and lift it up, and so you can hear where the wrong or where the noise comes from. Thank you for watching. I am Adam Wilczek from Germany. See you next time.